Hello student, let's start to learn. Standard ninth, subject science and technology, medium English and semi-English. Unit number 1, laws of motion. Today's first point is uniform circular motion. Second point is determine the direction of velocity in uniform circular motion. And last and third point is example. Thank you. Uniform circular motion. Observe the tip of the second hand of a clock. What can you say about its velocity and speed? The speed of the tip is constant, but the direction of its displacement and therefore its velocity is constantly changing. As the tip moving along a circular path, in this path, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Can you give more example of such motion? Yes. Second example is Ferris wheel. You also seen this Ferris wheel. This moves uniform circular motion. Third example, the satellite moves around the earth in a uniform circular motion. Fourth example, in this game, the ball moves in uniform circular motion. Try out and think about it. Number 1, draw a rectangular path as shown in the figure. Here is the rectangular path. Number 2, place the tip of your pencil on the middle of any side of the square path and trace the path. Note how many times you have changed the direction while tracing the complete path. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 4 times changing the direction while tracing the complete path. 4 number. Now repeat this action for pentagonal, hexagonal path and note the number of times you have changed the direction. In pentagonal, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. In pentagonal, 5 times change the direction while tracing the complete path. In hexagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In hexagon, 6 times change the direction while tracing the complete path. 5 number. If you increase the number of sides of the polygon and make it infinite, how many times will you have changed the direction? What will be the shape of the path? Answer of this question. Infinite times will have to change the direction and shape of the path will be the circle. When an object is moving with a constant speed along a circular path, the change in velocity is only due to change in direction. Hence, it is accelerated motion. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called uniform circular motion. For example, the motion of stone in a sling or that of any point of the bicycle wheel when they are in uniform motion. If an object moving along a circular path of radius r takes time to come back to its starting position, its speed can be determined using the formula given below. Speed is equal to circumference upon time. Here v is equal to 2 pi r upon time. R is the radius of the circle. Determining the direction of velocity in uniform motion. Take a circular disc and put a 5 rupees coin at a point along its edge. Make it move around its axis by putting a pin through it. When the disc is moved at a higher speed, the coin will be thrown up as shown in the figure. Here, the coin will be thrown up as shown in the figure. Then note the direction in which it is thrown up. Repeat the action, placing the coin at a different point along edge of the circle and observe the direction in which the coin is thrown off. In this animation, the coin will be thrown up in the direction of the tangent which is perpendicular to the radius of the disc. Here this direction is shown. Thus the direction in which it gets thrown up depends on its position of the moment of getting thrown up. It means that as the coin moves along the circular path, the direction of its motion is changing at every point that is shown in this animation. Example 1. An athlete is running on a circular track. He runs a distance of 400 meters in 25 seconds before returning to his original position. What is his average speed and velocity? The given are total distance travel is equal to 400 meter, total displacement is equal to 0 as the return to his original position, total time is equal to 25 seconds. What is its average speed? What is its average velocity? The average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken is equal to 400 upon 25 is equal to 16 meter per second. So athletes average speed is equal to 16 meter per second. Average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time taken is equal to 0 upon 25 is equal to 0 meter per second. So athletes average velocity is equal to 0 meter per second.